In Photoshop, you can convert any raster image into editable vector shapes. The result can then be quickly exported as EPS or SVG to use it in other apps like Illustrator or on the web. I'll show you how to do this easily. The conversion isn't magic, but it can be time-consuming. With the Image2Vector plugin, you can do it with one click. Roughly isolate your subject on a new layer or click Create in the plugin. Done. You can refine the selection at any time using the layer mask. With the first slider, you control the smoothness of the outer edge. The higher the value, the smoother it gets. With the second slider, you control the contour details of the various vector shapes. With the last slider, you determine how many different grayscale steps, for example, vector layers, your image should have. Now you can decide whether your vector should be monochrome or average. Monochrome uses only grayscale areas. With average, each area gets an average color from that region. Done. 8 vector shapes were created. Each vector shape is fully editable. Vectors can be moved, recolored, and the illustration can be scaled as large as you like. For example, seamlessly add the vector illustration to your layouts. You can also export the vectors as EPS or SVG vector formats. You can later use the exported SVG file as a graphic on the web, or continue working with it in apps like Illustrator. With the average option, the level colors are calculated from the average colors of the areas in the original image. This creates a colored vector illustration that does not have exactly the same colors as the original. Of course, you can recolor each area to your liking. You can also use small raster images as templates. The shapes of the result will still be crisp and infinitely scalable. The results can be useful for printing promotional items, flock and flex printing products, and other processes where lossless scaling or cutting is required. I think vectors are not only extremely practical, the vector look also looks fantastic. I hope the plugin saves you some work. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.